Hello everyone, welcome to Indian Money's YouTube channel. I am Natalia. There are a lot of financial tips out there, but that does not mean that all those tips apply to you and your financial lifestyle. So in this video, I'm going to tell you what are the 5 tips that you should avoid, that you are better off without following. Number 1, this is the first tip that you should be avoiding. That if you can't afford it with the money that you have, then you always have credit. For example, you really want something, let's say a house or a car or a fancy bag. You cannot afford it. But there are offers like the banks or any other financial institutes, they're offering you credit, that is loans, so that you can purchase that product. And not just that, they tempt you by giving you very attractive discounts and rewards. So here, you're not only paying for the product that you want, but you're going to pay much more than what you signed up for. Because when you are given all those discounts and perks and rewards, you're actually paying for it as well. So instead of having the mindset that if I can't afford it, let me take a loan to afford it. Do not do that. Instead, save up money, wait till you have enough money to afford that product. Taking out loans is a good thing, but you can end up in a lot more financial crisis if you don't handle this properly. Number 2, rent money is dead money. So we are given advices saying that you can buy your own house instead of renting it out, because when you're renting, you're actually paying just to stay there, but you're not going to own the property. Now, this is one tip that you should actually avoid, because this is a very old path. You can actually rent, pay for the rent and build your wealth outside as well. Because if you don't know if you're going to stay in the same place for a very long time, then there's no point in having a house or buying a house in that place. So you can rather rent out the property and build wealth elsewhere. You can build wealth by investing in stock markets or high income producing assets. Number 3, you need to quickly pay off all your debts. Now, this is another tip that you should avoid, because when you quickly try to pay, that is pre-close a loan, you will be paying a penalty fee. Not all the lenders will allow you to pre-close a loan without having to pay any charge. So if you're thinking of pre-closing a loan before the tenure is over, then keep in mind that you're going to be paying a very big penalty fee for it. And some lenders will not even give you that option of pre-closing a loan or giving you a pre-closure facility. And having a debt is not bad as long as you pay back all the payments on time, because it will help build your credit report and your credit score. Number 4, getting stock tips and investment advice from your friends and family. Now, of course, who does not love free advice? So yeah, you can definitely get advice from your family and friends, but their tips and advice might be based on their own experiences, which might have worked for them. There might be a way which worked for them, which may not work for you. So if you act upon others' advice and take decisions accordingly, you are taking a big risk. So before you take any decision when it comes to your money, you check out what works for you and then make a decision. Last but not the least, number 5, you need to cut down the money you spend on your coffee or your chai or your smoke. So when it comes to budgeting and saving money, people tend to focus on these small things like getting a coffee or getting a chai or getting a smoke. Now that's true. If you cut down on all these expenses, you can definitely save a considerable amount. But when you're going to buy a chai or a smoke or a coffee, you're actually going with your friends. So if you are not going to go and enjoy a coffee or a chai or a smoke with your friends, then no one's going to invite you, which will put you in a very miserable state. So focus on growing your income, saving more money, rather than shrinking your lifestyle. So these are the 5 financial tips that you are better off ignoring. And that is all for today's video. If you like this video and if you want to learn more about personal finance or career building courses or business and farming courses in 6 different languages, then click the link in the description box below and download the Financial Freedom app and start your journey towards becoming rich. And don't forget to use my code NAT. If you use this code, you'll be getting 2,000 rupees worth scholarship absolutely free. And if you like this video, then hit the like button. If you're new to the channel, then hit the subscribe button. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you'll be notified when we post a new video. I'm Natalia and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching IndianMoney.com.